Everybody knows that Sherman and Denison have an epic rivalry on the football field.
But we're always working together to benefit the Texoma community.
In both of our cities, our church congregations and faith communities play a vital role in supporting our staff, our students, our families every day.
And that's why we're so glad to see our church leaders and communities in both Denison and Sherman planning back-to-school events to pray for our schools, our students, our staff, and our families.
These events will be held on the same day, at the same time, but at separate locations.
Both will begin at 6 p.m. on Sunday, August 6th.
In Sherman, community members are invited to gather at the Sherman Municipal Lawn before visiting Sherman ISD schools.
And in Denison, community members will meet at Heritage Park on Main Street before visiting our Denison schools for a time of guided prayer.
We know that prayer and the support of our church partners make a huge difference.
So please join our communities as we pray for another great school year.
We look forward to seeing you on Sunday, August 6th at 6 p.m.
And remember, it's always great to be a Yellow Jacket.
Go Bearcats!